Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. This is the second video in a short series on tractor trailer driving safety. And if you watched the first video, you know that we're doing this series because we want people out in the community who are driving in cars and trucks to be safe out on the highway when they're driving near tractor trailers or big trucks. And the second tip that we have to help keep you safe and keep your family safe is that tractor trailers have significant blind spots. I have to tell you that I live in Newcastle County, Delaware. Our main offices are in Dover, Delaware, and I spend a lot of time going back and forth on State Route 1 in Delaware. And State Route 1 is 2 lanes south, 2 lanes north, and there's always vehicles in both of the lanes, whether you're going south or north. One thing that drives me nuts is when there's a tractor trailer in the right lane and I go to pass it, but there's a car in front of me in the left lane and it hovers right next to the tractor trailer. That drives me nuts because I know that there's a big blind spot for that tractor trailer driver. That driver of that big truck may not be able to see me and may not be able to see this car in front of me that's blocking me from passing. And so my tip today is that if you are going to drive near a tractor trailer or you're going to drive near a big truck, what you need to do is make sure that you don't hover next to the truck in the lane next to the truck. If you're going to pass it, pass it. If you're not going to pass it, then stay back and keep your distance. But you should know that if that tractor trailer driver has a sudden emergency, maybe a deer comes out from the side of the road or a dog runs out and he goes to swerve, if he doesn't know you're there, he's not going to know not to slam into you. And so you never want to drive next to a tractor trailer because they may not be able to see you. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Hopefully this tip is something that can help keep you safe and keep your family members and friends safe. Please feel free to share this video with people that you love and care about. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. If you have a video suggestion for me, a tip that would make a good safety video for me, or you have a question about the law generally that you'd like me to answer in this format, send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.